You should have seen freeCodeCamp printed to the console. This is because of the pop method returned the value that was removed from the array, and you pushed freeCodeCamp string value to the end of the array earlier. But what does the push method return? Assign your existing rows the push method to a new pushed variable and log it. We use the keyword let with a variable named as push rather, and assign it to the result of accessing the rows array with an interpolated method, uh, push, and then log it. I mean the variable pushed. So this would be the pushed um yeah, this would be the value of the variable pushed, which is logged in here. Nice.